Welcome guys, hello. Welcome to our very first live stream. Let me ask you a question. Do you guys know about waist trainer? Do you have any idea about waist trainer? Are you hesitating to start any business currently? Well, today I'm going to answer all of your questions for you. So let's start with the basic knowledge. In Google Analytics, when you search for waist trainer, there is a lot of information you can find. And in countries like the US, the Europe, and many different countries, currently waist trainer is trending so much. So you don't have to worry about if the business is going to evolve or not, because currently waist trainer is a highly demanding business and market. So today I'm here to explain to you guys about those things and what you need and how not to be scammed. And I'm going to tell you about the quality and the best thing about the waist trainers. So first, waist trainer before 2014 was not that common. It was mostly corset, and corset has been around from I think the 17th century, during the Victorian era even. So the difference between the waist trainer and the corset is the recent studies show that it's a bit harmful for dangerous for some people, because the corset has a rigid steel bones. You see the steel bones? This is flexible. Waist trainer has a very flexible steel bones, but corset is a very rigid steel bone, so it doesn't bend. So it has the possibility to damage your organs. It's going to squeeze them up, so it might not be recommended for people. But the current waist trainer, the now trending waist trainer, has been improved and is the best thing for women, especially with who wants to lose their waist size. And waist trainer will help you if you have a belly fat that you want to lose, or maybe you just want to move down a dress size, then those are for you. It's okay. For people if you're hesitating to start your business, don't hesitate, because women are really falling in love with waist trainers right now. So every year the demand is increasing. You can go and search on Google, you can search on Instagram and YouTube. There is a lot of popular trends going around this market. So you can start whenever. It's not too late to start, and even now, okay? Let me talk about us. Do you know who we are? We are Shenzhen Nanbin, and Shenzhen Nanbin is the leading manufacturer and supplier of waist trainers. We have more than 6 years experience with more than 300 design patents. So we come up with new designs every time. So you're not gonna be disappointed, and our qualities, I'll tell you all about our quality. So today I'm going to explain to you guys about our two models. The one is it's called the traditional waist trainer, this one, and the other one will be the adjustable strap waist trainer. It's like a vest, but let me start with the first waist trainer. So the first waist trainer is the traditional waist trainer, as I told you. You can see here. So this is a waist trainer which has 3 materials. The outer one is 96% nylon and 4% spandex, and the one in the middle is 100% natural latex, and the inside is 96% cotton and 4% spandex. So what makes us different from other suppliers is our latex, it's thick, unlike others which might be 0.2 millimeter thickness, but ours is the latex is thick, which is almost 0.8 millimeter. So it means it's very sturdy. It's not thin material, it's very thick. So you're going to see a change when you wear it. And as you can see, we have 3 hooks. There's 3 rows of hooks, And our hooks are also different because you can see here. Our hooks are bigger and stronger. So, and they're stitched, like they have double stitching. I hope you can see it, it's very clear. We have double stitching, so it's strong, durable, so it's not gonna come off, like it's not gonna break or bend. So you can use it for a very long time. The flexi bone, we have 9 flexi steel bones. So as I told you earlier, our steel bones are very, very flexible. It's not like a corset, it's flexible. And we have 9 all around the waist trainer. We have sizes for all of our waist trainer. We have sizes for everyone, starting from 3 extra small to even 6 extra large. So, and for everyone. And our colors, we have different colors for all our waist trainers. As you can see on the back, we have different designs, different colors. So whichever you want, you just have to ask us. And if you want logo printing, transfer, we use heat transfer mated. So heat transfer mated, it's good quality because it's not gonna come off when you wash the waist trainer. It's going to stay on the waist trainer for a very long time. So it's very high quality mated. And private tags, labels. Also, if you're interested on those, it's okay. We do provide them. Like one price for 1,000 pieces, then it's okay. You can still use it for next time, next orders. And maybe I can suggest you, like if you're new to the business, you can just start with the private tags, then because it's more cheaper and we don't have MOQ or minimum order quantity for those, so just start with one. It's just a suggestions. So as you can see, this is the classic one, but it doesn't mean we only have this. Let me show you this one. And as you can see, there is another one. You might not see the difference, but look, it's longer in the front and then shorter at the back. This one is for those people who might have like a big backside, so, and a big belly. So you still want to cover your belly, but if you use others, maybe you hurt like your backside. Maybe you don't feel comfortable. So we have the short backside and the longer torso for you guys. And also, you can see here we have 6 hooks. As you can see, we have 6 hooks. If you want more, if you want less, we still can provide you we can provide it for you guys. You just have to ask, it doesn't matter. This one. And also, we have this one. You might say, what's the difference about this one? Well, this is a 14-inch from here to here. The length, it's 14-inch. So for people who have long torso, maybe you're taller, maybe you're around 170 centimeter, or any people who have long torso, you can use this one. Okay, so this is the first model I'm telling you about. This is the classic waist trainer. So next is our adjustable strap. As you can see, it's an adjustable strap waist trainer. So you might say, what's the difference? Well, it's obvious. This has a strap and it has a bigger backside. This one will just stay at your, like, under your bra, but this can go up. So this will be more beneficial for people who have back fat, or people who have fats that they want to lose around their breast area, like under the armpit. So you can wear those. And the straps is adjustable, so you can put it, like, if you think it's longer, you can just adjust it and make it to your size. And even you can wear it under any clothes, and even if it shows, people will still think you're just wearing a bra, like maybe a thick bra strap. So it doesn't matter, it's not gonna look weird even if you wear it and it's showing. This also has the same materials as the one I showed you before. It's made of 3 materials. The first one is the outside, which is 96% nylon and 4% spandex, and the inside, the middle one, is 100% natural latex. And I told you before, it's the thick one, the 0.8 millimeter thickness. So it's very strong. It's not so thin, like you won't say like you're not going to feel any difference when you wear it. And also the inside it has a soft cotton lining. It's made of 96% cotton and 4% spandex, so it's not going to harm anyone who has sensitive skins on your stomach. Like, the latex is not going to touch your stomach. We have an extra lining for it. And also for both waist trainers, as you can see, this one and this one, this is the same adjustable strap waist trainer. The difference is the rose print. Well, the rose print is, you can see, it's so beautiful. So this print, you can also wear it for the classic one. I just have this on hand, that's why I'm showing you. So as you can see, both of them, you can order black, any color you want, it's okay. So when we go to the benefits of waist trainer, for both waist trainers, any waist trainer will help you if you have back problems. Any back aches, so it supports your back, especially. That's why the silk ones are there, for improve your back. And it also creates the perfect hourglass figure that we all want. It's going to make you look snatched. And if you want to lose the waist size as well, maybe 1 dress size, 2 dress size, you can just wear it, and after a time, I promise you, you're going to see a change. Even maybe if you wear it consistently for a month, you're going to see a change. So it will help you lose a waist size, and also it suppresses your appetite. So it means it will help you lose the weight you want to lose. Starting from today, we're going to be having more live streams. There's going to be a lot of live streams coming up. So if you have any content you want me to share to you guys, if you have any questions you want me to answer to you guys, you just let us know, DM us, send us a message, and then we'll get back to you with another live stream. So I hope you got some information that you never had today. We're always here to help you guys, so thank you so much.